Okay, guys, today's the day, the Super Bowl, and I made this special video just for you. I want you to see how Jeff writes off his Super Bowl travel legally. I don't know who's going to win later today, but I tell you one thing, it's all in the fun of it. Jeff owns and has and publishes a hometown team sports blog, and he's had it for like 2 to almost 3 years. So if IRS asks any questions, they will know he's been in business. He's been showing a small profit, but this year he has decided to go to the big game. And what he's going to do is he's going to make a special video of all of the personal events that he attends and all of the different parties and the Super Bowl itself, which he is allowed, the part that he is allowed to snap shots of and put into a special video, which he's going to put onto his blog and onto YouTube. Now, the editing for this video, it costs anywhere from $800 to $1,200. This will be a top-notch commercial video. So he's also had to pay for his press release, and then he had to get a new leather bag to carry some of his equipment. Now, the reason his Super Bowl ticket was only $4,500 was because he purchased it in December. He didn't know who was going to the Super Bowl at that time, but he knew he wanted to go and film it and make it a tax write-off. His hotel, $1,600, airfare, $800, meals, $455. Now, anytime he takes someone out for a drink or for lunch or for a snack or whatever, he can also write that off if the meeting that he has with them pertains to business. So you see, you can write off the Super Bowl. Jeff earns money from Google AdSense, football merchandise, and football tickets that he sells on his blog. He also earns money by Okay, sorry about that. Jeff also earns money from travel to games from his city to the visiting team city. So he is a regular in the area for his hometown NFL sports team. He provides valuable content about charitable events, news about team members, coaches, upcoming games, opposing team information. So you see, he really does have a legitimate blog pertaining to his hometown NFL team. So therefore, his tax deduction and legal write-offs of visiting or going to the Super Bowl, these deductions are in fact legal. Guys, I'll see you in an upcoming video. Subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell. I know, I'm in Mexico, but it doesn't matter. Super Bowl is Super Bowl. Have a great day, and may your team win.